Hey guys, Cash1 coming at you with a brand new video. This video is going to be announcing a digital code contest for Holmes and Watson, the new movie that come out today. So we're going to be running that starting today, April 9th, and we will end it on April the 11th on Thursday. You must be subscribed to the channel, guys. Make sure to hit a like if you're going to enter for a chance to win this digital code. You enter down below. Let me know you want to enter. As always, guys, Blu-ray, this is awesome. Until next time, guys, peace out.